How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 63 Pontiac Catalina. Car originated out of North Carolina. The previous owners owned this car like 28 years. Super cool car. He had the car repainted. It's factory light blue with the white painted top. About 7 years ago, he said, they did a complete tear down and paint. Professional job. Bumper's been re-chromed. All the original grills in excellent condition. Car's really straight, flat down the sides. He had all the chrome on it, you know, dings taken out, polished. It's got dog dish hubcaps with red line radials. Just a super cool car. You don't see many of them. Taillight housing's all been re-chromed, rear bumper, all the other trim on the car is the original. All the glass is in excellent condition. He did a new windshield and a new back glass when they redid the car. All new weather stripping. Got a 421 in it. The 421 tri-power. It's got power steering. It's got your power brakes. Very nicely detailed under the hood here. The motor's been rebuilt. They updated the trans with a 400 turbo trans. Just a super nice car. So it's all the original interior in the car, looks like. The dash is in really good condition. It's got the factory Pontiac tack, still works. You don't see them very often. The headliner's real nice in the car. It's got the tri-tone seat covers. He's had this car to many shows and won a lot of trophies with it and had a lot of good times with the car. He just got to the point to where he wasn't able to see very well anymore. All inside the trunk is really nice. It's got all the original floors and everything in this car. Got your jack and spares. Comes with car cover. Got a folder here of bunch of paperwork and documents on the car. Everything he's kept. Just a super nice car. Real slick paint on the car. When they repainted it, they had it all apart. The fenders off, everything. Got nice trio gauges there under the dash. We'll fire this thing up. Thing fires right up. Nothing cooler than a tri-power and old Pontiac. It's got all T3 headlights in it even. looks tough with the dog dish on it and red lines. It's just a really, really cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Not had a lot of real nice weather lately. We've got good weather today. Have a great day, folks.